Okay, pedal. Slow. Slow. It's a lot of bike. You got a lot of gear there. There you go. Yeah, it's a little much. Keep going. Nice and slow. It's a little tall. That's why we're going to ride it next year. Wow, what a ride. Look at them gears. Now, if you twist that handle just a little bit, it shifts gears for you. You better not try that.
Why?
You should try putting it back in first. I'll come stop you here in a second. Keep going. Drive by me. But okay, go the other way now. Twist it towards you. Now pedal at the same time. Pedal at the same time. Towards you. Keep going. A little more twist. Turn this way. Okay. Okay, hold it. Right there. Stop.